The project title Caxmel Studio Co-Space. Myself, Hema K, third year Studio A. The project is Caxmel Studio Co-Space, which includes spaces like co-living, co-working, co-learning, and urban amenities. Project starts with the analysis of urban study of Mugape like road networks, land use, landmarks, traffic map, and activity map surrounding the site of 1 kilometer, which is taken as inference for site analysis. Literature study. Clever City. Proposal for co-working, inference spatial roles, circulation movements, sections showing various spaces, inwards and outward movement, node connections, floor analysis of spatial roles. Comic strip is explained in a way that relationship between space and human activities plays a vital role in which each space, which is tangible and intangible elements, are explained. Site analysis, site contacts. Location of the site is Mugape. Site orientation is east. Area of the site is 1957 square meter. Shape of the site is rectangular and its dimension is length 66.1 meter and width 33.1 meter. Frontage of the site is 30.1 meter. Site has road on either side. Church Road 12 meter and Indira Gandhi Road 8 meter. The analysis includes road type, road services, vegetation road around the site represented as green. Spatial analysis is taken based on land use, residential and commercial buildings around it. Services map includes transformers and light poles. Traffic analysis taken at the time 6 am, 12 am, 6 pm and 12 pm, whereas 6 pm traffic is heavy near the site. Land use and building height around this site. Off-site and on-site features include street activities, vendors, nearby pits and garbages. Shadow analysis plays a vital role in placing the massing of the building, wind movement towards the southeast. Landmark includes spaces like cake shops, schools, supermarkets, play area, etc., which enhances the urban call to the site. Design attributes: Mugape site, road, horizontal zoning, vertical zoning, building footprint based on sunshade and wind flow, massing solids and voids, co-living, co-working, co-learning and street shops. Service scores, which is represented in pink color. Circulation around the site. People activities on open air theatre. Levels and sections on each floors. Structure and skin. Grid formation. Ken grid system. Building footprint. The thought of the design concept is based on the concern about the temperature and settlement behavior. The goal was to build co-working, co-learning spaces around the urban amenities, which is the main aim of the friendly. We started with Ken system of stoning, scheme drawing. Site cum ground floor plan. The placement of massing placed north-south to project from sun, expanding the greens and landscaping areas across the roof and entry spaces along the site. Constructing a connecting mass between separated spaces and set an opening facing around to increase the enhances of entry. 4 program spaces are added to mass and interacted through the connection. Initial massing volume of the form begins with most efficient and maximum plinth. Hierarchy of the building is placed in the way that urban amenity faces the road and co-working, co-learning and co-living are placed towards the corner of the site. Ground movement and connectivity engages with the welcoming spaces with surveillance as community spaces. Co-working spaces act as an next generation demanding interaction working culture, and future endurance amenity spaces are separate threshold, which is shared with the community and co-living. There, co-living blocks are placed as a cluster into limited amount as studio apartments for family, bachelors according to its use. Rooftop spaces utilizing the roof area, open spaces for permaculture garden, communal and leisure activities. Building circulations are planned in a way efficient with visual barriers connecting each spaces through floors. Conjunctions of people and program becomes a cultural pastoral enclavation mixture and programs for people. Ground floor plan. The site has 2 entries, street shops at the corner and co-living spaces. Other entry for co-living space. Open air theatre, street shops, elderly health spaces are placed at the corner of the site for easy access and approach, which are all urban amenities. Co-livings are studio apartments for which includes room spaces like living, kitchen, dining space, bedroom and toilet. Along with its urban amenity, saloon is placed at the corner of the site. Co-learning and co-working spaces has reception space, dining space and waiting space. First floor plan. Co-learning places has a model making room and an art and craft room. Co-working spaces has open desk, conference of 8-seater and 12-seater room in which the floor studio apartments are placed along with the urban amenity gym. Second floor plan. Co-learning places as e-learning library, co-working spaces as individual cabins and blogger area with acoustical treatments and office room, studio apartments along with gathering area for the people. Third floor plan. This floor plan has co-working spaces as individual cabins for privacy, a studio apartments for bachelors shared with a living area. Fourth floor plan, studio apartments for bachelors which has bed spaces. Section at AA showing different levels. Section at BB, section at CC and section at DD. Elevations on north and south side of the site. Axometric views showing various spaces. Site from ground floor plan, first floor plan, second floor plan, third floor plan and fourth floor plan. Sectional perspectives. Aerial view of Caxmel Studios core space. Bird's eye view. Spot views of each spaces. Walkthrough. Thank you.